Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what you need to qualify to purchase a Nintendo Switch 2 directly from Nintendo, because Nintendo has rolled out some new rules that are aimed at combating scalpers. So, in order to prioritize people who actually play and use their Nintendo Switch 1, they are going to require that you have an active Nintendo online account that's been active for at least 12 months and is currently active and being used at the time that you sign up. Because right now, you can sign up for your interest to buy a Nintendo Switch on their website, and you can kind of pre-register a spot in line to try to buy one while supplies last. And the other requirements are going to be that you have enabled data sharing on your Nintendo account, which is on by default, so you're probably good, and have got 50 plus hours of gameplay on your Nintendo account, on your Nintendo Switch. Along with that, you're going to also need to have enabled promotional emails as well. That way you can actually get the email where they say, hey, your spot in line is ready. Come by your console, buddy. And so if you've got all of those prerequisites kind of in the bag, and I'll show you how to double check where is what here in a second, you can go onto their website and you can register your interest to buy from my Nintendo store. And I'll put this, or at least I'll try to put this link in the video description so that you can click it and go right to this page. But if you log in, you'll be able to pick your Nintendo Switch system. You can either pick like just the system, or you can pick the bundled with a copy of the new Mario Kart game. I'm not too worried about it because if I want it and I have enough friends playing it, I'll just buy it online. But you have the option, although once you make your pick, you can't switch. So pick wisely. And then you'll be able to buy it in June when it becomes available. So just keep that in mind. So if you're not sure if you have your correct settings enabled to qualify for this, and you want to double check and make sure you've got your playtime in and your promotional emails enabled, just go to your account and log in on the Nintendo.com website, open up your account, and then over here in the sidebar, you can see My Nintendo or your account settings. Go to your account settings. Once you're here, go to Privacy and Other Settings in the sidebar. And then inside of here, at the bottom of the page, are what you're looking for. You want to make sure you've got your emails from Nintendo enabled. I'm just going to leave them all enabled by like they were by default, just to be sure. And then you also want to make sure to opt into your data usage, where you share information with Nintendo about the games you play, how long you play, what you're playing, all that stuff is enabled. My account, it was enabled by default, but you can click on this button here, change, in order to adjust that. Same thing with the emails, just click change and you should be good to go. And that's it. You're good to go and ready for your chance to get a Nintendo. Make sure you register on this page, your interest to buy it. They'll send you an email on the day, and good luck.